Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your teacher Sharmeen Sadiqa and I am here to teach you English. And today we will do the reading of book page number 26. So hurry up and open your books. Today we will learn some new sentences of verbs. So let's start. Okay, so what is happening in this picture? There is a horse. And what is the horse doing? It is jumping. So what we will say? The horse is jumping. Very good. Repeat after me. The horse is jumping. Good. Okay, so he is a very tall man. And what is he doing? He is walking. So what we will say? The tall man is walking. Repeat after me. The tall man is walking. The tall man is walking. Oh, look at her. She is writing. And who is she? She is a girl. So we will say, the girl is writing. Excellent. The girl is writing. Oh, look, he looks so tired. What this tired man is doing? The tired man is sleeping. So we will say the tired man is sleeping. The tired man is sleeping. Excellent. Oh, look at this dog. What is he doing? He is playing. So we will say the dog is playing. Excellent. The dog is playing. We have read some new sentences with verbs. Now what we will do is we will learn some new words with the sound of ing. I-N-G. What is the sound of I-N-G? Ing. Say after me. Ing. So let's see what are these new words. Oh, look at the first word. It starts with R. R-ing. Ring. 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 Excellent. The second word is, it's starting with W. And the sound of W is W. W-ing. Wing. Wing. Say after me. Wing. The third word is King. 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 Good job. Now we have some more words. What are these words? Coming. Say after me. Coming. Coming. Going. 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 Good. The third word is falling. 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 And the last word is cutting. 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 Good job. You have done an excellent job. Now there is a homework for you. Today you have to do the picture description. And here is the picture. There is so much going on in this picture. Look, the birds are flying. The girl is running. The dogs are swimming in the water. The boy is playing with the ball. Oh, the dog is playing. And an old man is standing. Look, there is so much happening in the picture. Now what you have to do is You have to describe this picture in your own words and do this work on your notebooks. This is all for today. I hope you have learned something new. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.